Hi everyone, there's a couple of different ways you can create relative strength ratio charts in Optuma. You could create your own custom code by dividing one symbol by another using a formula, or you can add a relative index comparison tool and that will display the ratio below the price chart. But here's another way that is perhaps a bit quicker, and also all the tools on the chart will update based on the ratio. So I've got a standard daily bar chart here with a couple of tools. I've added the name using a chart element tool and a couple of analysis tiles, which are true false conditions based on simple formulas. So the direction of the 3-bar swing, and also whether the closing price is above or below the 34 period moving average. And at the bottom there, I've got a standard 14 period RSI. So as I scroll down the watch list, all those tools will update, and there's a couple of greens for the energy company. Costco, that's true false for the swing and the moving average. Same for Copart. But what we can easily do now is change that into a ratio by right-clicking on the chart background, go to the pencil properties icon and relative index. Now this is a US list, so it will default option will be the S&P 500, but if this was a Australian list, and then it will be the ASX 200. Or you can select custom comparison index and you can type your own symbol, such as an ETF or a sector, something like that. But I'm just going to change it to the S&P 500, and now that is a ratio relative strength chart. So the tools have been updated. The name's been adjusted as well, so you're made aware that it is now the a ratio. It's Copart divided by the S&P 500. You'll notice in the chart header as well it says relative index, and now the analysis tiles and the RSI are based on that relative strength. So whereas just on the price chart the RSI was, I think, 40 for Copart, based on the relative to the index, it has a value now of 62. So again, just scrolling down the watch list, and all those ratios have been quickly and easily calculated. Hope that's been helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.